Hello guys, welcome to How to Global YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to save Google Docs as a plain text file in Android. This process is very easy, so let's get started. Create your file by clicking on this, tab on this, and now give a title to this document. It's saving right now, but as you can see, now I can give a title and I can type something inside this file. Okay, and then what you need to do right now, if you want to save this file, you need to go to these three dots, and then you need to look for share and export. Tab on share and export. Then you need to go to save as. Okay, tab on save as, and now you need to choose this option, plain text. Tab on plain text and click OK. Now it's saving, and as you can see, this is my file. I have the text inside of this file. I have the title. I can download, I can share. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any question, drop your question down below. So like this video, guys, please, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, and see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Take care.